welcome to our Father's Day episode. At saka napaka-lucky po natin ngayon dahil ang ATI po ay binigyan tayo ng venue ngayon to shoot. At saka syempre, na-bless po tayo dahil kasama po natin si Director Asterio Salion of the Agricultural Training Institute.
Good morning.
Naku, marami pong salamat. Ang ATI po, bukod sa ibang agencies like BAR, ang supporter po natin. At gusto po natin siya makasama para ma-meet po ang ating mga social entrepreneurs. Kasi po, ang agriculture, it's not just about the farming, pero marketing plays a very important role and consumer awareness. So, tara po, para po matikman po natin itong mga produkto na kinukuha po ni Ken Alonso sa ating mga farmers.
Good morning, Ken.
Hi, good morning.
Kaya alam mo sa atin, nag-good morning tayo. Isipin nila, ang aga-aga, umiinom na tayo. But actually, we are here to promote something, maybe not, it's not common itong mga ingredients na nakikita mo sa usual mga bars natin. Because, Ken,
basically what we're trying, we promote these products, actually, it's the Bugnay wine and the Tapoy. So it's the rice wine. So we get it from a small province called Adams. It's in Ilocos Norte. We actually turn them into cocktails.
So yung Director Saliot, matutulungan din natin yung mga farmers natin na ma-educate sila na yung local products pwedeng mas streamline.
At saka nakakapag-innovate ang ating mga entrepreneurs using the local products.
Magandang pagkakataon nito kami sa ATI, lalo sa Department of Agriculture, nagpapasalamat na matulungan ang ating mga magsasaka na madiscover din kung ano pang mga produkto na pwedeng gagawin.
At sir, marami din ako napapansin na yung kunwari itong mga packaging na itong mga botelya, para imported because they are already finding ways to package them nicely.
Pinaseminar natin sila para magkaroon sila ng kaalaman kung paano mapaganda yung packaging ng kanilang mga produkto. Doon tayo maglabanan sa packaging nila.
We believe that people recognize something that looks nice.
And we can compete with the international market. That our products, that our local farmers can produce, can compete with the big names and the big products that we have.
Ang lalo kong pinapasalamatan ay yung mga kagaya nila na mga bata pa at may pagka-entrepreneurial abilities na makatulong sa pag-package, pagpakita, pag-promote ng mga ganitong produkto.
Sir, bata pa rin naman.
Happy Father's Day!
Anong tawag?
At maraming salamat.
Ang tawag po dyan ay ang diliman. So ang gamit dyan ay yung Bugnay wine.
Napakasarap.
And then there's also some
Parang ayaw ko nang huminto. So, mas masarap pa nga ito sa ibang mga imported na red wine or ibang inumin.
Tapos natutulungan natin ang local farmers.
Yes, ito yung unang pinapasalamatan ko kasi yung mga magsasaka natin ay ma-encourage silang mag-produce at gusto ko rin sabihin kay Ken na ito yung mga klaseng middlemen ang kailangan.
Yes!
Yung middlemen na makapagpadagdag ng value ng produkto ng ating mga magsasaka. At nagpo-promote ng ating magsasaka, hindi yung nagagamit yung ating mga
Socially responsible.
Yes!
Mali si Director, at syempre meron pa rin isang father.
Father na naman!
Nakasama natin si Henry. And let's talk about this time, Proudly Promdi. Let's talk more about it, Ken. Ano naman ito?
Proudly Promdi, first the name, basically Promdi kasi from what I understood growing up, parang it wasn't something that you wanted to be associated with. It had a sort of negative connotation to it. But when I realized growing up also in the province, it's actually, you should be proud that you're actually from the province. Just like the products that we have.
Yes!
Yes.
Itong mga pop-up bar, anong ginagawa nyo naman dito? Saan nyo dinadala?
Well, I basically started with parties of friends. And then from parties of friends, naging mga corporate events. And then from corporate events also, I also now make drinks for mga bars and restaurants.
Okay, so show us what you can do.
Alright, so I'll be making the Tap Poison. Basically consists Tap Poison, so it's good poison. First, we put our watermelon slices. And then we have our tarragon. Then we add some simple syrup. 10 ml of this. And after your syrup, we muddle it. So after we muddle it, we add now our gin. So we add 30 ml of this. So this one naman, we add 45 ml of tapoy. So this is it.
Ano ba ang tapoy?
Basan galing.
It's actually an ifugao drink, basically. And then they're basically made of rice and yeast. That's it.
Fermented.
Fermented lang siya. Defermented for around 3 to 4 months. So now we have all our ingredients all together in one glass. Then we shake. So now that it's actually shaken, we strain it. So we prepared already a glass with ice. There we go.
Ang ganda ng color niya.
So Taron, and there you go.
Of course, for ladies yan, no?
No, for guys and for ladies actually.
Yung kulay eh.
Cheers. Sarap.
You constantly experiment with
Yes.
ingredients, different local ingredients.
Tapos yung fruits ba, always fresh? Or sometimes you use jams or
Extract.
Yes, so like we have a drink that we use mulberry jams that we grow also in Pagudpod.
Kaya ako natanong yung if can use as preserves. Kasi yung farmers natin, di ba, that's one way na kaya nilang i-extend yung
I-process.
kanilang production nila. Kasi yung maitatago nila, di ba? At the same time, meron kang supply na mas
Kahit
pinaka-
hindi siya in season. Yes, that's right.
So the next one we'll be making, it's called the Diliman. So Diliman because we made this when we were in along UP.
Akala ko didiliman lang.
Didilim.
So madilim yung color ng alcohol niya because of we're using the base of Pugnay wine. So we also add some orange juice. And then we add some syrup, 10 ml of this. Add 20 ml of brandy. And then we add the London liquor, 20 ml of that. Then we add some Pugnay, 60 ml of this one. So this will actually taste like something similar to a sangria mix. Add ice. And then instead of shaking naman, we just stir it lang. We top it off with some cola so that there's a bit of carbonation and fizz. So very refreshing. And then we just add more herbs on top. Do the honors.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, sir.
Sarap.
Itong Pugnay wine. Did you make this?
We're the ones that actually branded their product. To help them move the product, we decided, sabi ko na lang na, sige, I'll change your packaging for you guys. Then I'll try selling it in Manila.
So did they end up earning more, yung farmers?
Yes, of course we want to practice fair trade as well.
Yes.
This is encouraging even the young entrepreneurs. You don't have to be a farmer, diba? To be part of that social enterprise, yung chain na yan. And in turn, we are doing our part to help our local agriculture industry, diba? Nakakatuwa, ang dami kong natutunan ngayon, Sandy. I think right now, nakikita natin, ubus na yung director, and he is a very busy man.
Oo.
And we're just glad that he was able to drop by and enjoy this pop-up bar here.
And allow us to use the venue, the facilities of ATI.
This facility is for the Filipino farmers
Yes.
and for the Philippine agriculture. So we offer you our facilities for activities like this. So,
Salamat, nadinig nyo yun. Join us again for next week's episode of OA Ako.